Now, let's take you through the very first program, that is Introduction to Bioinformatics. So for those who come from a non-bioinformatics field, let us quickly understand what is bioinformatics and how do we really use it. So bioinformatics is the science of both storing lots of complex biological data and of also analyzing it to find new insights, which we have to use in many different ways for analysis. And today's biomedical research isn't simply about publishing one set of results and hoping other researchers read it. It's about finding patterns in all forms of data, linking everything that is out there to provide new insights that we can only spot if we can see the big picture. Bioinformatics lets us bring together the data from lots of experience in one place so we can ask those big questions and find the answers. And such data from different sources is available rather than availability of such rich sources of data changes the nature of the biological research itself, as it is rapidly acquiring the character of a data science. Now, who uses bioinformatics and who is it for? The answer might have been statisticians, computer scientists, or engineers. But the truth is that more and more biologists, as well as clinicians, are now expected to understand and handle their own data to publish and succeed in basic and translational research. In fact, biology itself is rapidly acquiring the character of a data science. So as biology is rapidly acquiring the character of data science that I just mentioned, billions of data points on genes, proteins, and other molecules are compiled in large files and systematically studied. And analyzing this data leads to more knowledge and understanding about living organisms, which includes human health, biotechnology, crops, and livestock. So this training program will give an overview of bioinformatics for understanding multi-omics data analysis for students, biologists, and clinicians, and the influx of data that is associated with these methodologies and data-driven research makes bioinformatics for life sciences as prominent as the emergence of computers is for the tech industry. Now, the field is based on high-throughput technologies that generates billions of data points on genes, proteins, and other molecules which characterize biological systems and phenomena. And these data, or this data that is compiled into the repositories and can be systematically studied to understand, interrogate, and establish trends for many applications, which includes phenomics, genomics, epigenetics, and also transcriptomics. And what is missing here is single-cell transcriptomics. Now, the question is such data available? Yes, and one such repository is maintained by National Center for Biotechnology Information, which has a collection of peer-reviewed articles, biological data sets, and projects on various topics. And as you can see, in the past several decades, this resource has been growing exponentially. There are over 80,000 publicly available data sets in just one part of NCBI, that is called GEO, which stands for Gene Expression Omnibus. And this is just one simple example of a data repository which contains data sets on thousands of genes in each sample. But in the program, we'll explore more and more of such repositories and understand what type of data is stored in these repositories, how we can extract it and make the most out of it. Now, the program is designed to highlight the role of big omics data that is shaping modern biomedical innovation, where molecular data is used for precision diagnostics, big data integration, and machine learning that is transforming personalization of treatment selection and innovative algorithms that allows for unprecedented capabilities with drug discovery, design of large molecules, and even drug repurposing. The program will cover some of the important technologies and its applications in today's world. The participants will be able to access the bioinformatics resources along with expert and mentor support to get help with the learning process that will help you learn the transformation of biology to data-driven biology. And this was about the first program, Introduction to Big Data Bioinformatics, where we'll cover these aspects of different omics analysis. We'll get you introduced to these different omics analysis, which includes a genomic data analysis, transcriptomic data analysis, metagenomics, single cell.